Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best stick welders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the EVERLAST PowerARC 200ST. This powerful stick welder was built with a true professional in mind. It is a bit pricey, but with all its convenient features and professional performance, it is such a huge steal. It is not only limited to professional use but can also be used at home by hobbyists and beginners. The welder comes in an inverter design, which makes it lightweight and portable. It features a handy carrying strap and a carrying case that makes storage and transportation convenient. The welder has got both TIG and stick welding capability, which increases your welding opportunities. Actually, the E6010 welding capability allows you to work on pipelines, container vessels, construction sites, shipyards and portable repair jobs. However, if you want to TIG weld well with this machine, you have to get a gas regulator and a TIG torch and a gas valve. The welder offers exceptional arc stability, just like many other big-wig brands. Its stick part has an auto-adaptive start and an auto-adaptive arc force control for an excellent arc and weld quality. It also features a favorable dual voltage capability. You can safely and effortlessly switch between 120V and 240V with the adaptive technology provided. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Lotos LTPDC2000D. This 3-in-1 stick welder comes in a simple, elegant design that is lightweight and portable. Its setup is pretty straightforward. It will take you less than a minute to get started, thanks to the pre-installed plug and air filter regulator that allows a quick connection to the air compressor. The welder features a non-touch pilot arc, which will help you cut through surfaces with much ease and minimum slag. The welder's tip will not be touching the surface whenever you cut metals. Furthermore, you can run the welder on either of the two voltages it offers, 220V or 110V. Just be sure to get a pigtail to help you with an easy transition. You will also appreciate the vast amps range, 10 to 200 amps, offered for welding. Additionally, you will be able to make clean cuts on metals as thick as 3/4 inch, as that is the maximum severance thickness the welder offers. The manufacturer backs up all these fantastic features with a 3-year warranty. All in all, this is one of the best TIG stick welders for home, farm or industrial use. Its superior features and top-notch functionality are worth investing in. At number 3, we have the Forney Easy Weld 100 Street Stick Machine. This is another one of the best stick welders under $500. Though not so powerful with an output of 90 amps and 120-volt input, it is perfect for beginners. It will feel right at home in your home garage or farm, and its capabilities will blow you away. This welder comes in a compact portable design. In fact, it is the best portable stick welder on this list, weighing less than 10 pounds. It is the inverter system used in its construction that makes it incredibly lightweight. The welder has both TIG and sticks welding capabilities, which expands your welding opportunities. Transitioning between the two is a breeze. All you have to do is flip a switch. Beginners will find this feature favorable. However, do note that you will have to buy a TIG torch separately as it is not included in the package. The 90 amp power output makes this one of the best stick welders for home use. The power is enough for various projects in the home, as well as other dome automotive applications. Another praiseworthy feature is that it can handle up to 1/8 inch electrode and can weld metals as thick as 5/16 of an inch. This is a perfect option for anyone looking for a stick welder that is lightweight, easy to operate, and offers top performance results. All its convenient features combined make it the best stick welder for beginners. At number 2, we have the Hobart Stickmate 160i Stick Welder. The smooth performance and durable build that this welder offers debunk the myth that lies behind products made in China. It is an excellent pick for DIYers with metalwork projects and farm maintenance and repair. It is not the most affordable stick welder out there, but it is worth the buy. The welder comes in a rugged design that is lightweight and portable. Weighing less than 20 pounds, you can easily store and carry it around. What sets this welder apart from its peers is its DC operation. This makes it run smoothly as it features easier, quicker, and more reliable starts. The hot start technology, the welder, employs is the one responsible for all the basic and stable arc starts. Moreover, you will experience easier welding and less spatter thanks to the welder's superior arc control. Also, because of his DC operation, you will achieve excellent results with greater precision. With 160 amp power, you can weld up to 5/32 seconds mild steel. It works better on thinner metal sheets. You can fine-tune and adjust the heat output to any value up to 160 amps for the best results with every metal you work on. Additionally, you will appreciate the dual voltage capability the welder features. You can easily connect to either 120V or 240V receptacles with any tools. The most exciting thing about this welder is the 5/3/1 industrial warranty that has different parts insured for a specific number of years. And finally at number 1, we have the SUNGOLDPOWER ARC MMA200A. If you are looking for a stick welder that is worth every single penny you will spend, this is your ultimate choice. This welder offers the best value with high-end features and top performance at a very pocket-friendly cost. It comes in a solid body built with high-quality components for durability. Unlike most of its peers, it is heavy. It is heavy because it is a full bridge welder. Many lightweight welders are half bridge. As much as it is not lightweight, it comes with a carrying handle and straps for easy carrying or transportation. With its advanced full bridge IGBT inverter technology, you will not only get high arc performance but also be able to entirely control it. You can make adjustments as small as 1 amp at a time. What's more, you will enjoy a higher duty cycle of about 60% at 180 amps without worrying about it overheating thanks to the built-in fan. The fan cools the internal motor. Another exceptional feature is the arc force overload protection. It protects the welder from damage caused by overvoltage, undervoltage, and overcurrents. The welder is also beginner-friendly as it comes with a complete starter package and it features the hot start technology which offers easier and reliable starts. Its dual voltage capability makes it one of the best 110V stick welder. You can choose between an input of 110V or 220V. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.